Alright, to begin, we need to get things going by going down to the left side to Online Store in your Shopify admin dashboard. Click on Online Store because this is going to be your website's backbone, where all the magic happens, I promise. Once you're there, you'll see a section called Themes. Click on Themes to proceed. Now you'll see an option to add theme. This is where we can really start to customize your store. Click on Add Theme and you'll get a couple of options. Ideally, I'm going to go with Visit Theme Store. Shopify has provided a plethora of themes for us to choose from, and trust me, there are so many themes to browse through. Some are free while others are paid. If you're just getting started, I'd recommend going for the free ones. So let's click on Explore Free Themes at the top right corner. As you can see, there are 13 free themes available. They're all pretty good and can give your website a very professional look. Now, let's say you want something a little bit more specific or fancy. You can also sort by paid themes. The paid themes offer additional features and customization options, which might be worth considering as your store grows. Let's choose a theme together. I'll go with the Sense theme, which is free. Click on Sense and you'll be taken to a page with more details about the theme, its features, benefits, and more. It's important to read through these details to understand what you are getting. You can even visit a demo store to see how your product will look on the site. This gives you a practical view of how the theme works in a real-world scenario. I think this theme looks pretty good. You can place your products in various sections and the pricing layout is clear and attractive. Once you've decided on a theme, spend some time exploring its options. You can modify the colors, fonts, and other visual elements to match your brand's identity. Once you're happy with your choice, click on Try Theme. This will add the theme to your online store. Now, a common point of confusion is that the selected theme doesn't automatically apply. Don't worry, we'll work through this. Scroll down to the theme library section. Here, you'll see the theme you just added. To activate it, click on Actions next to the theme and select Publish. This will set your new theme as the active one for your store. You can also click on the 3 dots next to the theme and select Preview. This allows you to see exactly how the theme looks with your products. Initially, it might show some dummy content, but this is just to demonstrate the layout. As you add your own products, everything will fall into place. Now let's add some final touches to make your site stand out. Don't forget to optimize your site for mobile devices. Click on the mobile icon at the top of the theme editor to see how your site looks on a phone. Make sure all elements are properly aligned and that the text is readable. A significant portion of your visitors will access your site from their phones, so this step is crucial.